Hello everyone, this is me, Ashana. We have a job for interview on 3/9, so scheduled on March 9 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So the job description for this is operator, recycling and cleaning. So we're looking for 4 people for this, and the salary starts from 259,000 yen to 324,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So we require at least conversational Japanese for this, or at least basic Japanese. So again, this is located in the job is located in Shinagawa and in Hachioji in Tokyo. So if you are willing to apply for this is scheduled for interview on March 9 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So again, this is a recycling of waste material, cleaning, and operator also. So anyone interested, there is a visa support also for this job. So you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 03620688058. Thank you.